So where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Hopefully on your side of the desk, firing you for poor hiring ethics.
You don't say. Well, you can start as my secretary.
Excuse me?
Budget cuts. Also, magic.
I think I don't want this job.
You can still refuse, but I won't change you back.
When do I start?
Monday.
Good morning. This is the front desk. Yes. No. He did mean that. Please hold.
Welcome to the team.